agreed. Can I ask you a few questions?
Sure, no problem.
What time is it now?
It is a quarter past 9 in the morning.
Oh, it's still early. What day is it today?
Today is Tuesday.
And what's the date today?
It is 6 May 6th, 2025.
Do you know the season it is now?
Yes, it is spring. The weather is getting warmer.
Thank you for answering.
You're welcome.
Hello, my sister. What are you doing right now?
I am cooking in the kitchen. How about you?
I have just finished cleaning my room.
That's right, I have cleaned the yard and watered the plant.
Good job! I have been studying English for the last 2 hours.
Really? I have helping my mom since this morning.
Wow, we have got really productive today.
Yes, we have latex break after this.
Okay, let's go.